If your cosmetic surgery practice still relies on referrals or ads, you're falling behind competitors in today's market. The future of growth is no longer about chasing platforms or constantly paying for attention that fades away quickly. Aureus Health AI builds your own AI driven authority and media system, so you're leading the arts instead of following others. This system creates lasting assets for your practice, scaling your visibility and building long term patient trust. Competitors who wait will only borrow the attention that you already own and control in your community. With Aureus Health AI, your organization becomes the reference point others are chasing in your field. Don't rent your influence, own it. Act now to claim your uncatchable advantage as the concierge experience in your community. Request your private AI strategy briefing today, and let's start building a future-proof patient acquisition system that no one can ignore. The practices that move first will not just attract more attention, they will own the authority others will be forced to chase. Don't hesitate. Request your private Aureus Health AI strategy briefing right here, right now.